Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase iPhone 15 Pro Max or 15 or any types of phones, so which accessory is required for new latest iPhone. I already purchased some of the accessories and I discuss with you which accessory is mandatory to purchase and which one is not needed to purchase. So I purchased some of them. So first one, back panel cover. If you purchase expensive phone, so it's mandatory to purchase the back panel like this. So now my iPhone 15 Pro Max look like this. After you using this back panel, your all iPhone features is vanished. So I'm not using this accessories. If you are not using this one, so how you secure your camera and screen? So I already purchased one of the best screen protected to secure my screen and the camera. Screen protected I purchased from Amazon, just only 10 euro. And inside the screen protected, I will show you the magic. First time I purchased this one. So this one is a camera protector. So I just simply fix here. I already fix here. So remove and fix here and secure your camera. Then after you can very easily put it your mobile in the tables, secure your phone. And second one is a screen guard. So like such kind of screen guard, and after that I am secure my iPhone screen all time. So this is the best accessory if you are not using this one. If you are using this one, that one is also interesting to secure your phone like this. If your phone falling down like this, so this back panel are secure your mobile phone. So this is a second number accessories. And third number accessories, I purchased new pen drive, just only 32 gigabytes. The pen drive price just only 5 euro. I purchased from Amazon only. Here the D type and backside is a C type port is available. So I can very easily connect the pen drive here and very easily access some of the data via pen drive. Otherwise I copy some of the pictures on the pen drive and use much more space. Why is needed to use the pen drive? Because of sometimes I record the video, and as a airdrop point of view, I need more time to spend, like airdrop my iPhone to my laptop. Like if I record the video like 4 to 5 gigabyte and then I'm use as an airdrop, so I'm spending around 5 to 10 minutes. If I use the pen drive, same video, I can very easily transfer less than 1 minute. So that is the beauty of external pen drive. So this is the accessory number 3. And accessory number 4 is a mic jack. This is a C type port and I put it here. If I record the video using Go Wireless Mic 2 as well as Rode, the small collar mic like this is a collar mic, and if I add here like this, and I can very easily record my iPhone screen and share with you digital quality voice using this accessory. Those 4 accessories are very important if you are purchasing iPhone 15 Pro Max, and if you create a video, so then this accessory is mandatory for you. If you are not creating the video, so you can purchase the back panel, screen guard and camera protector. Those 3 accessories is mandatory as my point of view. If you secure some of the data, so you can use as a D type and C type pen drive, so very easily connect as any other laptop or television, and this one you can very easily fix here and then transfer the data. This is one of the best accessories I purchased from my iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.